just vlogging, see what's up. I usually don't do these kind of vlogs. I do like POV drives and car fixes and shit. I'm trying to get more dynamic, or is dynamic the word? I'm trying to be like more open to like other ideas for my YouTube channel. Since my channel is called It's Abdul's POV, I figured I'd do whatever my POV is, you know? Nice lake. It snowed yesterday, so no. Looks like things are not frozen. Not bad. But yeah. I don't know if you guys want me to do more vlogging. I want something else to do on my channel. I don't want to just make it just cars. Don't get me wrong, I love cars, but I kind of want to do more activities and stuff, whatever it might be. Maybe it's like going to a dealership and like doing a review of cars, taking a look at some cars, see what's up. Overall, it is not a bad view. Look at that. Looks very good. Not a bad view. Looks like they're doing some construction over there, but now I live in Minnesota and I mostly stay in the St. Cloud area. So when I was driving here, the city is a bit different. It's like it's got a lot of like train rails and everywhere, and like the way it just looks is different. So like I was kind of confused and maneuvering around, and there's so many potholes. Like I just installed my new lip. I'm not trying to break that shit. Everywhere is just so low and everything. And I know a lot of people are telling me to lower my car, and it's like I'm already scraping most of these driveways. Even my driveway that I live, where I live, I'm already scraping the road. It's like in the last, I rebuilt the car back in October, December. I've gone to 3 lips throughout the winter section. It's like, man, and these they get expensive very fast. Like, I don't know, 40 to 50 a pair, maybe even 60. So it's like, man, I want to keep spending all that. They'll look good without a lip, but like, I feel like the vision for this car is to have it look visually good. So if that make any sense. So yeah, there's not much to see in this area. It's mostly just dead grass. I'm not sure what's going on in there, but I don't think I want to go in there. It's a pretty chilly day. It's not cold or anything, but I think it was 6 degrees on Sunday. Today's Wednesday. It was 6 degrees on Tuesday, and then Monday was all right, and then it snowed yesterday, and now it's melted again, and then it's gonna snow for another 4 days in a row. It's gonna rain tomorrow, and then it's gonna snow, so like it's gonna be like a winter mix, or whatever they call it. Not a bad area. And then of course we got the star of the show. Just these angles just look so good. Look at that. There's a lot of glare. Hopefully, update on the car. I just installed the lip back because it was broken. I'm currently fixing this hood. I think it's not terrible. Maybe I might need like sand it a bit more, and then I'm gonna clean it, and then I think I'm gonna wrap it black or something. I'm not sure what to do yet, but I think I'm gonna wrap it black. And then once winter's over, I'll get bronze wheel and 18-inch wheels. Also do the suspension and the lowering springs. A lot of people have been telling me to take off this wing. If I get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'll take it off. 1,000 subscriber, and I'll take the wing off. Until then, it's gonna stay. Overall pretty dirty because it's been snowing. I don't want to wash it yet. It's gonna snow some more today. But I feel like I'm almost done with this car. I'm about 90% there. All that's left is, of course, the coilovers, wheels and tires, spacers, and then interior wise, maybe a better shift knob, and then maybe a carbon fiber steering wheel. And then I do kind of need to fix these pillars. These pillars are like starting to like peel off, so I gotta re-glue them on that side as well. And then we're gonna do the better darker tints. I think I'm gonna go 5% all around, 35% on the windshield, and then maybe like a 5% sun visor. We'll see. But overall, that's kind of what the goal for this car is. We're almost done. We just got a few things left. I think maybe around like $3,000 left. If we do tires, suspension. The wheels are like, I think I found the wheels that I want, and they're like $800. Tires, if we go Michelin 4S all season, around $1,000 to go with the wheels. I think I'm gonna go for 245 and then 45/18. I think that's the combo that I want, just to get more tire width. And then we're gonna wrap the hood black to give it a more aggressive look, because I feel like the front end looks aggressive already. So the black hood will tie it all in, and then darker tints will finish it up. And then after that, we're kind of done. This car is all about the looks, the presentation. I got this car for around $5,000, and after I got hit back in September, I got an insurance payout of around 6.8K. So, damn, I should move out of the sun. So I was up $1,600, which is all the mods that I did to this car. I did all of it by myself. The only thing I didn't do is paint the paint job. I painted the front bumper and then the left quarter panel. I also had to get a new bumper. My tab is broken, I gotta fix that. I had to get a new bumper. And then this area was kind of damaged. It like got pushed in. So that's the only thing that I didn't do on this car. Everything else I've done on this car. I had an issue when I got the car with the driver's side ABS sensor. I fixed that one by myself. So not a lot of my money has gone into this car to get it to where it looks. Usually when you get the car, you get it for like around $5,000 to $6,000. Then to do all the other mods, I'd say like another $2,000 to $3,000. But I've only put $1,000. I've only put around $1,000 to around $1.2 in the car, or even less. And then I have a few other nits and bits to do, and then I'm completely done. I don't have more to do this car. I don't want to do more. The next car that I want to get, well, I think I'll do that for another video, maybe another vlogging video, just to see if this does well, because I'm not really that good at talking to a camera. I've been walking around, I can't get like the good angles, but you know, my channel and what I do is all about learning. When I got this car, I didn't even know what the IS250 is. I didn't even know what a car was, so by no means am I like the best of the best, or like just know everything. So kind of just learning as I go. Yeah,